Hey everybody, it's Lizzie here with my September Nomadik box subscription box. I've already unboxed it, but I wanted to kind of go through some of the items, tell you guys what the price ranges are, and give you guys the coupons for them. I'll have all of the coupons off for them in the description. I also opened one for August. I will leave that video in the description. I am loving Nomadik. I purchased it because of course it got advertised to me on Instagram and Facebook, and I have not regretted it. This is only my second box. I just bought the year's worth of boxes and I am loving it. So let's just go ahead and start with the first thing. Was this wet/dry bag. It's basically designed to keep whatever you put in it either dry, or if it's wet that you're putting in, keeping the wet away from everything else in your bag. They advertise it for putting your swimsuit in and things like that. I'll probably use it in my tent in case it rains to put my phone, my keys, things that I don't want to get wet in this. It's not a huge bag. It's by the brand Aloha, which actually 5% of the proceeds go to Hawaii conservation efforts, so that's kind of cool. This bag actually retails for $32, so it's pretty expensive. I want to do a submersion test on seeing how waterproof this is. This is my discount code in here. I also think this would be a nice beach bag to put your sunglasses, your keys, and everything in to keep the sand out of it. The next thing, this is my favorite thing, is the waterproof phone case by Earthpack. It unclips and you slide your phone in there, and then you clip it, and water is not supposed to get in there, obviously. And it's the type of plastic where you can still use your phone over it, which I have several of these waterproof phone cases for when I go tanking, fishing, kayaking. And this is by far my favorite because it's the easiest to get my phone into, and secondly, the plastic actually really does work. I've bought some other ones where the plastic doesn't really work through the phone, I can't type. And then I've also bought hard box ones which work really well for not getting water in, but you can't use them then. So I actually really love this. I'm not so certain this is gonna last forever, but it does look pretty strong, and it unclips there if you want to just have the plain phone case. That actually retails for $7.99 on their website. It's a little more expensive on Amazon and some other places, so make sure you're buying from the right place. Plus you'll have a discount code if you use what is in my description. The next thing is, this is super cool. I'm going to use this for kayaking. It's this Carson floating wristband. It's to hold your keys or whatever else, and probably mostly keys. And it's so your keys or whatever don't sink. You put it on your wrist and it's good to go. I think I'm going to use this for kayaking. I think that's awesome. I'm so happy they gave it. It's really cool. This retails for $10 on their website. I saw some ranges of prices depending on where you bought it, but it was around the $10 mark. The next thing, I actually used this yesterday already. It's called the All Good Sunscreen Butter. I'm not a super fan of containers like this. They're hard to get stuff out of. I'd rather have a pump or a spray. But I used it yesterday. It went into my skin really good. I didn't get a sunburn, so I would say this is pretty good. I think a bigger tin retails for $10 on their website. And then this, I'm not keto, but they sent a keto yummy butter, which is basically a nut butter pouch, which I am going to try this today as a matter of fact, and it's macadamia flavor. These are rather expensive. These do have MCT powder in them, which my ex-boyfriend used to do keto all the time, and he used to consume that stuff every day. It was MCT. So I imagine these are probably worth the buck if you're already spending a lot of money on a big MCT oil. They retail $30 for a pack of 4, so it's pretty pricey, but it is a very large size pouch in comparison. I mean, it's a full pouch. I don't know what it tastes like, obviously. I'm not keto, so I'm not gonna review this product. I wouldn't know if it worked or not. Oh, and then they always send you a little sticker. It says Venture into the Unknown. And they always send you a book of what your products are, and then all of your coupon codes. So stay tuned for October's box, and I highly recommend this box. This is not sponsored. This did not get sent to me. I adore this box. This is my second one, and I thought for sure there'd be some of the boxes I wouldn't care for, but so far both of them I've loved. So I highly recommend Nomadik, even if you just do a few months subscription. It's really a nice treat for yourself. I've never gotten an item where I didn't honestly think I would use. I guess if you're, other than maybe like the keto thing, but I really think it's a good way to find new products for those of us who like to go out and do crazy adventures and stuff. So highly recommend. I hope you liked everything you saw. If you do get the Nomadik box, comment your favorite item of the month, and thanks for watching.